action. Hello, fancy seeing you here. Welcome to the Clever Car Collection. I'm glad you are because I am here to show you this beautiful little Ford KA. If you're looking for a first-time driver's car, this is it. It is Insurance Group 03. This one has been very well looked after, including a Cambelt change last year. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it. So you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to take it for a test drive. Let's take a look. So this is our little Ford KA. We've sold a few of these here at the Clever Car Collection, and that's because we absolutely love them. They are perfect first-time drivers' cars. They're simple, easy things to look after, easy things to fix. They are very good to drive, and we love them. This one is the 1.2 litre petrol engine, 5-speed manual gearbox, 55 miles to the gallon, and a heady 68 brake horsepower. It's had 4 previous owners, comes with 1 key, and has insurance group of just 03E. It is Ulez compliant too. Now it's got a good specification this, as you can see it's in this lovely Ford blue colour, and I'm just going to show you around it now. Now in terms of marks, there are a few of them, but they are very minor. This car's done 80,000 miles, 80,500 miles, so I just check my notes there. So you can see it's in good condition, considering the mileage and age, 09. So 2009 car. Little chip there, a couple of little marks on the front end. Coming down the driver's side, these wheels all looking good, plenty of tread on the tyres. Now all of our cars go out with a new 12-month MOT and also service, and this car will have exactly that. Further down this side, I can't see any marks. A couple of little minor bits here in the paint, but very, very hard to see. This wheel looking good. Round the back, a couple of marks here and here, sort of you would expect those on a car this age, but apart from that, all looking good. Down the passenger side, this wheel, all good. No real major marks stick out there. Couple on the door here, just a couple of little parking dings, and then down this side, all good. So windscreen, no chips. The wing mirror all fine, and this wing mirror all fine too. A little bit of a mark here on the roof, but apart from that, nothing else to report. Let's jump in. Right, jumping inside. They're nice, comfortable cars, these Ford KAs. I'll start it up, you'll see there's no warning lights. Turn the music down. And as you can see there, we have got 80,621 miles on the dash. You can just see the only warning lights are the fact that I have got the handbrake on and I'm not wearing a seatbelt. You've got electric windows here and here, air conditioning, radio CD player with aux in, that's down here, 12-volt socket, 5-speed gearbox just there, and glove blocks just over there. Inside, it's nice blue and black interior. There's a bit of space in the back there. It's a 3-door model this, but all looking good. So nice simple interior, but very clean, very functional, and perfect for first-time drivers. Right, in terms of history, this car, as I said, has been well looked after. It will come with a new 12-month MOT before we deliver it to you. I'm just going to turn that down a little bit. It's also going to come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard. You can upgrade that to a 12-month one if you so wish with our partners warranty-wise. In terms of previous services, it's been looked at in 2011, 12, 13, 14, 18, 21 and 23 and had its Cambelt changed last year in 2024. All of our cars will have a service before they're delivered to you, so this car will be no different, and it will come with that new 12-month MOT. Now, if you like the look of this car, we do offer nationwide delivery, so please get in touch with us for a quote. We can offer home delivery anywhere in the country. And if you want any more information, I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address, and there are loads of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Now, while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of being a 5-star rated dealer here at Clever Car Collection, and we've just won highly rated from Auto Trader for the 2nd year running, which we're incredibly proud of. And that all starts with giving people like you the best quality service. And we look forward to doing that when you come here to give this lovely little car a test drive. Hopefully that has answered all of your questions, but if you've got any, please get in touch, and we look forward to showing you this brilliant little city car, brilliant first time driver's car, and I'm pretty sure once you've seen it, you'll be taking it away. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully see you very soon. Goodbye.